All right, guys, this is Anthony Bandiero, broadcasting from ICP in Dallas, Texas. I had somebody that actually watched the video, one of my previous video, and I was at ICP. So if you're at ICP, you got to swing by the booth. We got search and seizure jeopardy going, so let's just see how much case law you know. All right, this question comes from an officer in West Virginia. So the officer says, look, we have an individual who is arrested from a vehicle. We're going to allow this person to invite somebody to, call somebody over to pick up their car. All right, 3 people arrive on scene. So 3 new people. They have their car. Now one of them is going to drive this arrestee's car away. The officer wants to know, hey, can we ask this person for their driver's license? You know the answer is, right? That's a hard yes, absolutely. You want to ask the person for a driver's license. So, okay, good, so there's that. The person says, I don't want to identify myself. Can we now detain that person? The answer is no, right? They've done nothing wrong. If they don't want to play ball, if they don't want to give you a driver's license, then let them know, that's fine, but you're not taking this car away, right? So, what about the people in the other car? Can we also demand their license, right? Again, the answer is no. They've done nothing wrong. You're watching a person pull up in a vehicle, and if you have no other criminal activity afoot, no tint issue, no seatbelt issue, no headlight out, nothing else that's citation or some kind of violation, what can you do there? Nothing. You can ask them for a consensual encounter. All right. What if the person driving the car, right? What if they do give you their license? Can you run it? The answer, generally speaking, is yes, under a few rationales. The main one probably is that no detention is really occurring anyway. You ask them for their license, they voluntarily handed it over, you then go to run the person. Courts would probably say that overall it looks like consent. It looks like the person could refuse to give you the license. It looks like the person could be like, hey, look, actually I don't want you running my license, right? They change their position. Yeah, they can't leave while you have their license, but that doesn't mean that they can't ask for the license back. So stuff like that. Also, they may also justify in the public interest. You are going to release this vehicle. Since you are in custody of the vehicle, you have a public safety rationale, a highway safety rationale to make sure that you're handing the vehicle over to somebody who's properly licensed, right? So they may deal with it as consent. They may deal, even if the person didn't feel free to leave, it was still a justified intrusion and so forth, all right? So that's where we're at. But again, just to remind us, if the person does not want to give up their license, and then, and you have nothing else on them, just let them know that the car's not going with them then, all right? That's an easy one. All right, guys, thank you for watching the channel. We're having a great time at ICP. We're meeting hundreds of people around the country that are interested in more search and seizure training. They see the value in it. Hopefully, you see the value in this. Hopefully, you're not only getting information from the channel, but you're also watching us on our weekly webinars. All right? So hopefully see you there. Do me a favor, you know the drill. All I ask from you guys, if you enjoy these videos, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in another video.